MathUSee's unique approach is student-paced and especially effective in one-to-one or small group settings where the opportunity for individualized instruction exists. As students demonstrate mastery of a concept, they progress to the next. Because MathUSee is not a grade-based curriculum, students can work at the appropriate level to fill in conceptual gaps and move at their own pace without concern about grade-level designations. MathUSee has been used successfully and effectively in response to intervention programs, special education settings, after-school programs, and other environments where individualized instruction is offered. MathUSee makes use of the following research-based techniques: teacher-directed instruction, direct explicit instruction, models and demonstrations, explicit problem-solving strategies, corrective feedback, frequent cumulative review, short cycle assessment and progress monitoring. Truly differentiated instruction is required to meet the needs of students in response to intervention and special education programs. Each lesson directly presents the key concepts needed for mastery to the instructor in a simple, clear, multi-sensory manner. The instructor can then introduce the concepts in an easily understandable manner and use step-by-step procedures for introducing, reviewing, practicing, and mastering concepts. A wide variety of learners are engaged by a multi-sensory approach. MathUSee is an effective response to intervention Tier 3 core replacement intervention program. It is designed to improve mathematical performance by explicitly teaching the concepts, skills, and content needed to understand mathematics. It is a student-paced, mastery-based curriculum that has been particularly effective with students who have a moderate to significant discrepancy between grade level and proficiency. MathUSee is also an effective special education core replacement intervention program. Its student-paced, mastery-based approach makes it suitable for students with a wide range of abilities, from gifted to those with special needs. We strive to incorporate universal design for learning principles in all of our levels, and our curriculum can be used with no or few special accommodations. Because of MathUSee's approach to individualized instruction and concept mastery, it is an excellent curriculum for use in unique educational settings, such as after-school and summer school programs. MathUSee can address the needs of students who are gifted in math, are struggling with a math concept, are below grade level, or have a different learning style. We provide instruction for the teacher to introduce each new concept in an easily understandable manner using step-by-step procedures for introducing, reviewing, practicing, and mastering concepts. By explicitly teaching the concepts, skills, and content needed to successfully learn and understand mathematics, and by integrating manipulatives at most levels, we engage all types of learners with our multi-sensory approach. Flipped classrooms. The focus on guided exploration and use of manipulatives means that MathUSee is well suited for use in a flipped classroom. Students can view the instructional video before coming to class, where the instructor will reinforce the concepts and utilize the progress monitoring to identify conceptual gaps and reteach as necessary. Other unique environments. Contact us to discuss how MathUSee's methodology will fit with your specific situation. Although designed for small group instruction, MathUSee curriculum can be used in general education classrooms as long as the class structure is consciously adapted to utilize all of the integral elements of our curriculum. The curriculum is very focused on the individual student's achievement rather than a group instructional model. Here are some key issues. MathUSee is designed to be student-paced with differentiated work assignments tailored to each student's needs. Lessons are taught sequentially. The teacher needs to assure each student has mastery of the lesson materials prior to moving to the next concept. Students will often need access to the manipulatives during the lessons. These can be individual sets or shared among small groups, but we recommend that each student has access to at least 2 sets of manipulative blocks. MathUSee can provide extra support for a student who is not keeping pace with the rest of the class. For over 20 years, MathUSee has promoted a multisensory approach to math education. Our use of manipulatives and sound educational techniques provide greater accessibility to students who struggle with traditional approaches and help them experience success, many for the first time.